Okay, people, the link has been shared in both the groups. So please do click on that link. Once you click on that link, you will be redirected to this page. So you'll be redirected to this page. Am I right? Can you see my screen, people? Yes. Okay. So as I told
Yes,
you
sir.
that it is clearly mentioned here that you should have 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65% in your graduation. For your 10th and 12th, 60% and above is fine. So these are the other criteria which you'll have to be reading. So let us start reading from first. The branch which the branch of people who can apply is CS or IT or circuital, which means EC and other branches. Okay. So the selection process. Let's come to the selection process here. The selection process consists of 3 rounds. 3 rounds is first one will be aptitude, written communication test, essay, which is for 20 minutes. Aptitude test consists of 48 minutes, and online programming test will be of 60 minutes. So candidates can choose any of the one programming language, which is Java, C, C++, or Python. So as Abhilash told you, we will be providing Java technical training. Now, when you come to the bottom, you'll get a link. You'll get a apply option here. So you'll have to click on this apply option. So once you click on this apply option, you'll be directly redirected to this page. In this, you'll have to enter your email ID. So people who want to apply with me, start entering your email ID. So people, you'll have to clearly read all this information given here. So first thing what they've told is we Wipro Limited. So start reading it, people. Start reading it. I'll give you some time. Start reading it. Chetan, it's preferred to fill it through system rather than mobile. Yes, Abhilash. Okay, students, let me read it for you. So they're telling what are the data which will be processed. Name and the contact information, academic and professional qualification, employment history and references, date of birth, background check information, such as documents of education and professional verification, which includes your marks cards or Aadhaar card or any address proof for that matter. Then what are they telling about processing processes, how this data will be processed, and about your interview process. You can, but yeah, yes. So as part of the job application process, we will process your personal data for the following purposes. So for recruitment, selection process, and hiring. Reference check, validation of information you provided. It's just about the data which you have provided. Next one, recipients of personal data, which means who all will be using your data or who all can have the access for your data. The first one is recruiter or the talent acquisition, hiring manager, and all these people. So next is data retention. They're talking about how many days your data will be retained by them. So it is 180 days. So next, they're talking about your rights. After this, after reading all of this, we'll have to click next. Once we click next, we'll be redirected to this page where you'll have to upload your CV. So first thing, download your CV from, you'll have to have your CV ready. I had already told you before. So you'll have to upload your CV here. I'll just pause my share for a few minutes.
Kanak, can you give it to me for a couple of minutes? Kanak?
Yes, Abhilash. You can continue from here.
Okay. Guys, students, please do not turn on your mic. Okay. Do not turn on your mic. Anything, if it is, just ask through the chats. Another thing is with respect to, people who are not filling now. Okay. If you have any doubts with respect to CV as well, you can ask, guys. Okay. You can ask me in WhatsApp. Okay. You have the number, right? In the same group where you are, where I'm putting the text in our WhatsApp groups. So there you can, do not put it in the group, rather send a personal text. Okay, I'll help you if there is anything that you're confused in the CV. Okay, so another point, people who are only in the Telegram, who doesn't have the WhatsApp number. Okay, just hold on, guys. I'll be sharing the link. I'll be sharing the WhatsApp channel link. You can join there as well. Okay, so there won't be any difference, people. Whatever we share, whatever we share in the WhatsApp, the same thing will be shared in the Telegram as well. Okay, now I'm just sharing the link here. Just hold on. See, here is the WhatsApp channel link. The people who are not there in the WhatsApp group, you can join. This is channel number 2. Okay, on the same number, you can send the text, guys. You can send the text. Like, if there's any doubt, you can ask me there in the personal message. Okay, that's it. That's it, people, from my side. Yes, over to you, Kanak. Thank you.
Thank you, Abhilash. Okay, people, start uploading your CV and your photo, which has a white background. They've clearly mentioned that you should have a white background when you're uploading your photo. Once you have uploaded your CV, then create your login ID and password. The password which you choose can be of anything. You can choose any of your passwords. So once you've chosen your login ID and filled your password, then you'll have to make selection regarding your this thing, Miss, Mr. or this logo. My screen is not visible, right? Yeah, okay. Now my screen will be visible. So you'll have to choose Mr. if you are male and Miss if you are female. So you'll be knowing that. So you should have to fill your name as per your Aadhaar card. Whatever name is given in your Aadhaar card, that is the name you should be filling here. So you should give your primary phone number and a secondary phone number. Secondary phone number is optional. You can give the same number. Then it's about your address. You'll have to start filling your address here. I'm just filling the random data here, people. You will have to fill your perfect address, which is provided in your address proof. Then comes your date of birth. As I've told you, I'm just filling my random data. You'll have to fill your proper data here. So then identity type. So you'll have to select which is the identity type which you have, and you will be able to take it to the examination as well as for verification. It is preferred to have Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number. So you'll have to enter your Aadhaar number here. 1 second, I'll pause my screen. Okay, once that is done, next it's about your school, name of your school. And the year of passing. It will be clearly mentioned in your marks card. So use your marks card, have your marks card next to you so that you'll fill it properly. Then it's your 10th registration number. Then registration state, whichever state you finished your SSLC or 10th in. So you'll have to select the state, and then if you'll have to select if it's CGPA or percentage. If you are in CBSE, generally it will be CGPA. If you are in state, it's generally percentage. So your exact percentage they're asking up to 2 decimal places. You'll have to calculate your percentage exactly up to 2 decimal places. If it's CGPA, it can be 1 decimal place as well. Yes, it is the number on your all ticket, or in the marks card it will be clearly mentioned. Your registration number will be clearly mentioned in your marks card. So please do check your marks card so that you can directly enter it. So next, class 12th or diploma. If you have done your diploma, you'll have to enter the diploma name of the diploma college or your 12th school or the college. Then comes the year of passing. Which year you passed your diploma? That's what you'll have to be entering here. Again, registration number, your 12th or diploma registration number. It will also be provided on your 12th marks card. Once that's done, people, once that's done, you'll have to again select your marks CGPA or percentage of your diploma. After that, you'll have to enter your percentage like you did in your 10th standard. Then comes the time zone. Careful about this, people. You'll have to enter IST Kolkata. Where is Okay, people, you'll have to find Indian Standard Time, IST Asia/Kolkata. Are you able to see this? Indian Standard Time, Asia/Kolkata. Then once start checking if you have applied everything properly. So I've not filled this here. You'll have to fill all the fields here, people. Once you've filled all the fields here, only then you'll be able to log in. So once everything is filled, submit the profile here. So if you have not applied anything properly, you'll have an error message here. Upload your photo with white background. So now you'll have to go to that photo. You'll have to upload whatever it is asking. Wherever there's a problem there, you'll have to upload that file here. Am I clear, people? So after you have uploaded everything, again, you'll have to click submit. So it will process your data. Once you have successfully applied there, once you've successfully applied it, you'll be redirected to this page here. Are you able to see my screen here? So you'll be redirected to this page. Here you will have to read it properly. Should you wish to remain in Wipro's candidate pool for other or future suitable job opportunities in Wipro or its affiliate companies for a period of 180 days from the application date, you may indicate your consent below. So So you'll have to click this if you want all their notifications or your data to be saved by Wipro for next 180 days. If you don't want it, you'll have to unclick this box and click submit here. Am I clear, people? So next one, once you have clicked that, you'll be redirected to this page here, which talks about diversity. For your reference, this is about the race which they have asked here. So generally, we'll have to select Asian. Asian. So you have to read this properly and select your race, whichever is suitable for you. So next, your gender, I'll be selecting male. If you're male, select male or the female. So once this is done, you'll have to click submit again. Once you click submit, it will be asking you about your arrears or backlogs. If you have any backlogs, you'll have to type yes. If you don't have any backlogs, you'll have to type no. Now again, it's about, do you have 3 years of gap in education between 10th standard and graduation? People who have 3 years of education gap are not allowed to write this exam. So people who are applying is generally no. So you'll have to click no here, and then you'll have to submit it. Once this is successfully done, it will be redirected you to this page. It's about your graduation information. Your graduation information is UG or diploma. You'll have to select UG. Engineering students, you'll have to select UG. So institution type, IIT, NIT, IIIT, or other institutes. So generally people, you'll have to select other institutes. If you're from IIT, you'll have to select IIT. If you're from NIT, you'll have to select NIT. If you are from IIIT, you'll have to select IIIT or other institutes. So you'll have to give your university registration number. You'll have to give your university registration number and then your state. State of your university, people, keep it clear, state of your university, wherever you have studied, that university state, and not the state which you are residing in, and the district as well. Next, institution, graduation institution. Anything which is in Bangalore. Okay, Acharya Institute of Technology. Courses, you'll have to select your course, BE or BTech. It's generally BE or BTech. If it's in South Indian states, generally it will be BE, others it will be BTech. Karnataka is generally BE, other states it is BTech. And you'll have to select a branch here. You'll have to select your respective branch. Once that is done, you'll have to give your year of passing. It is 2021. This is only for 2021 pass outs. So you'll have to select 2021. So your CGPA. CGPA, it's the same way how you did for 10th standard. CGPA or percentile. 2021 pass outs, it's generally CGPA. It is CGPA, and you'll have to apply your CGPA over here. Probably. So now again, you'll have to apply your university registration number over here. You'll have to apply your university registration number. So then it's about your state. Again, it's the state of your university. State of your university. Then again, the district. And then again, the name of your institution. You have to select your branch later on, and then your year of passing. Make sure all the data which you select should be matching here. So if this is for your PG, if you have done your post graduation, you will have to enter all this data. If you have not done your post graduation, you need not enter this data, people. If you have not done your post graduation, you need not enter any of this data. Am I clear? Yes. So after this, you'll have to click submit. Once you have done this, your application was submitted successfully. So would have submitted here. Then you'll have to log in with the password and the login ID which you had generally given, you had usually given before. It had let you to choose any login ID and password. You'll have to use the same login ID and password to log in. Am I clear, people? Are people done with applying? So I'll give you 2 minutes of time. Please finish applying. After that, we'll be starting with our class today.